Hello everyone, going to give you a quick tutorial video on how to find something that you've worked on before in your Google Drive. So everything you do in Google gets saved automatically, and for the Reader's Notebook this week you're going to have to access your Reader's Notebook journal that you wrote last week. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You may already have a shortcut for Drive on your desktop, but if you don't, all you have to do is type in to the search bar drive.google, and you can see it's already starting to show up. And once that starts to show up, you can just click on it, or you can finish typing it in, hit enter, and it'll bring you to your drive. Now, up here in the search bar, if you don't already see your Reader's Notebook, it may not be visible right away. You would click in and you would type in Readers. And as soon as you get the word Readers in, yours should show up. Now this one's Parker's, that's why it has his name on it. But if you don't, you just type in Notebook, hit the enter key, and there you should be able to find, unless you misspell this, you should be in good shape. So you type in Reader's Notebook, don't forget that apostrophe or it might not show up, and then you would click on your work and it would bring it up. Once you get here, you're going to be able to reattach it. So you're going to attach it to your new assignment. When you do your new entry for this week, I want you to click above your entry that you did last week and move that down just a little bit so that you can type your newest entry at the top. We're always going to put each week's newest entry at the top so that the other entries are down below. We want to be able to see your newest entry first, okay? So now, if I go back to my Google Classroom, I'm going to click at the classroom. And I'm going to go and find the Reader's Notebook assignment for this week. In Language Arts, we rearranged this a little bit. There it is, the first one. So I'm going to open the Reader's Notebook, and I'm going to view the assignment. And you can see here it says your work, and there's really no work. So we don't want to just mark it as done. We want to add or create. So I'm going to click the Add or Create button. And I'm going to add something from my Google Drive. Okay, I could create a new doc down here, but please don't do that. We want to use the one that we just found. So I'm going to add it from Google Drive. And since we just found it, it's going to probably be the first thing that shows up in your recent right here in Google Drive. Okay, I'm going to double click on this so that it will add it. And you'll see that Google is adding Parker's document to his work, and now he would be able to click on this and open it up and add his new entry for this week. There it is. We have the space that we created here, and Parker would be able to put the date and type his new entry in here. All right, everyone, we hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions.